First method, click to start, type service dot right click to services and right click to run as administrator, and then press W. So slow down Windows update. This is Windows update. Double click to open, select automatic, stop, then again click to start, and then apply, and then OK. Again select Windows update, then left hand side restart options, so click to restart. OK, and then close it. Then next, reset the Windows update components. Click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. And then this is first command, type like this and then hit enter. So this service will be stopped. One by one use this. Okay, no worry if any coming the error. Then again start the services. Okay, then close it. Then open any browser, then type Microsoft Catalog and then hit enter. So first, okay, then type the mod update KB5094126 and then hit enter. Now you can see this is latest and click to download. Then click on this link, first one. After that it will start. Now it is started. It will take some time depend about your internet speeds. So you can see 5 minutes left. So it will be download within 5 to 10 minutes approximately. Then it is completed. Then click to open file. Now it is preparing the installations. Then click to open. Now this is installing, start. After that it is complete, then restart. Now click to open file. Now it is installing, so it is completed, then restart your system. Thank you.